Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted object from video for free on Inshot application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project on my Inshot application, and for example guys, I'm going to remove this object from my video. The first thing we're going to do is overlaying this video with the same video. We can go to this BIP option, and this is the same video. I'm going to import it to my project. Then you can click on this button to fit the screen like this, and then we're going to put mask to cover the unwanted object. Go to the mask option and choose the type of the mask, and I recommend you to choose the circle mask because the result looks more natural. I'm going to click on it. Then we can adjust the size of the mask. Then you can take another part of the video to cover the unwanted object. I think this part will be suitable to cover it. Then we can click on the check mark and we can drag the mask like this to cover the unwanted object. You can make it smaller or bigger. Feel free to do that if you need. Okay, now it's done, and now as you can see that the unwanted object has been removed, and click on the check mark, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove unwanted object from our video using Inshot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.